Hey, my beautiful people. So, welcome back. Today, just sit back and relax and watch me straighten his hair. Also, my elbows are a little ashy in this video. You ain't got to tell me. I already know. I will find my lotion somewhere, somehow. No, but seriously, I don't know. I don't know what I did. Like, I don't know how my elbows end up ashy, but they are right. Okay, so I'm just wetting down this hair right now, and I'm gonna come through it with this brush. I want to say it's by Annie. It's from the beauty supply store. It's like a dimming brush, but not the dimming brush brand. I'm also going to use this straight silk spray from JuniorLabs, and I'm going to use some ETae Buttershine, and I'm putting that much product on there because I really don't want this hair to wave back up. It loves to pull the moisture out of the air, and I just want it straight from now. Eventually, I'll wash it, condition it real good, and curl it up, but I really like it in this straight thing. I'm kind of thinking I need to make another wig and go with straight hair. Now, normally I don't do straight hair because I know I like to go between curling my hair and having my hair straight. And when you choose like a wavy texture, you should be able to pretty much go between straight and curly. And when you have your hair curly, the wavy hair holds that curl better because it's wavy hair. Sometimes when you get straight hair, depending on where you get it from, it might not hold a curl well. So I like to go with wavy hair if I know there's a chance I'm going to curl it. But I think I want to just get straight hair because I just want bone straight hair. Like, I want to pop that thing on and go and not worry about, oh, is the curl still holding up? Oh, should I re-curl it? No, it's just perfectly straight. Matter of fact, I think I might want to do a little bob, y'all. Maybe like pretty little colored bob. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so I focused on this one side first and just kept blow drying it as straight as possible, switching out the brushes between the round brush and the dimming brush, and trying to pull and create tension on their hair as much as possible so that it will straighten out and stay straight. So for me, here's the most important part, because this closure that I bought, God knows how long, like years ago, when I first started wearing full wigs and closures and frontals, is only about 2 inches, 3 if I'm lucky, right? And I have to try to make sure I position the hair in the front to lay the way I want it to lay, and also be able to take a part of that frontal and cover up those tracks at the top, so that when I'm bending over, when I'm moving around when I'm leaning down, the first thing is that you see is not that first track. Like, you see hair, right? So that is why I'm using this round brush and blow drying, pushing the blow dryer where you see where I'm pushing at, and constantly taking that round brush and like brushing it in the direction that I really want that last piece to go by. Now you'll see me brush all of it back. That's fine. I really don't care whether it's to the side or all the way back, but I want to make sure that those pieces that I want to cover up that track are laying where I want them to lay. And if push comes to shove and they don't do right, I will use some freeze spray, and we just gonna roll like that. So I'm gonna finish up on this side, and then I'm gonna go over to the other side because I did them in sections just so you guys can see what's going on and what's happening, and I didn't have to keep moving my mannequin from side to side, trying to make sure that I wasn't blocking the camera and that y'all could see what I was doing. So I am going to come back with a pressing comb and lay that hair in the direction that I wanted to lay. I'm just going to take the pressing comb and basically that hair that I want to go backwards and stay and cover up those first few tracks, I'm going to press those in that direction, and then the rest of the closure I'm just going to kind of press in different directions so that it will kind of move the way I want it to move when I'm wearing it straight. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is my wig that went from wavy to straight, and I really love it. It like feels really nice when I put on and it blows and all that good stuff, but you'll get to see that in another video. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you watch another video. Watch yesterday's Glamidays video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out, much love, and I love you guys.